Welcome back to the social class, dear students. This is your second video or second class from lesson number 4, History, People's Revolt. So yesterday we just concluded up to this Veerapandya Kattabomman, right? So today we are going to start from Nawab of Arcot. This is from page number 37 from your book. Okay, so what is Nawab? So Nawab is nothing but it's a ruler, okay, male ruler, right? Male. So one who is male, okay, he is called as a Nawab, right? Okay, we'll see what it is. After the decline of the Vijayanagar Empire, the Mughals established the supremacy in the south. So after the Mughal Empire, Vijayanagar Empire got declined, Mughal started to have their supremacy in the South India. The Nawabs acted as their representatives in Karnataka. So the Nawabs, this male ruler, okay, they started to act as the representative in the Karnataka state. Okay, representative is nothing but in Tamil we say pradinidhikal. Okay, pradinidhi. Okay, on behalf of, right? Okay. Panjalam-Kurchi Palayam was acted as an ally to the Nawab of Arcot. So ally is nothing but, it's called as friendship we can say, or we can say it as a country that has an agreement to support another country, especially in a war. Okay, so here Panjalam-Kurchi Palayam, they was acting as an ally to the Nawab of Arcot. So Nawab of Arcot, they were helping them during the time of trouble. Okay, that is called as ally. Okay, we can take it as friendship. Okay, friendly helping, right? Okay, hence it paid tribute to the Nawabs. So this Panjalam-Kurchi Palayam, they paid tribute to the Nawabs. But in the year 1792, the political condition had completely changed. Based on the Carnatic Treaty of 1792, the company gained the right to collect taxes from Panjalam-Kurchi. So after the Treaty of Carnatic Treaty, okay, 1792, everything got changed. Okay, the company, they started to get taxes from whom? Panjalam-Kurchi, who is giving a support to them, right? The collection of tribute was the main cause for the rivalry between the English and Kattabomman. So this was the main reason for the rivalry, right, between the English people and the Kattabomman, right? Okay, next, Kattabomman met Jackson. In the year 1798, Colin Jackson, so its full name was Colin Jackson, okay, the collector of Ramanathapuram, wrote letters to Kattabomman asking him to pay the tribute arrears. So Kattabomman was asked by Colin Jackson to pay the tribute. So who was Colin Jackson? He was the collector of Ramanathapuram. Okay, he wrote letter to Kattabomman asking to pay the tribute. Tribute is nothing but, we can say it as what? Tax, I told you, right? A kappam or nilavu togai, write that. Okay, tribute arrears. But Kattabomman replied that he was not in a position to remit the tribute due to the famine in the country. So Kattabomman, he replied to Jackson stating that our country is facing famine, so I am unable to pay the tribute to you. So again, Colin Jackson got angry and he decided to send an expedition to punish Kattabomman. So what is expedition is nothing but, it's a war, okay, in Tamil we can say padai. Okay, he got more angry, so he decided to send what? Expedition to punish whom? Kattabomman. However, the Madras government directed the collector to summon the Palekarar at Ramanathapuram and hold a discussion. So a summon is nothing but, it's an order. Okay, so however, Madras government, they directed the collector. Who is the collector here? Jackson. Colin Jackson is the collector. Okay, they ordered, or they directed the collector to summon the Palakarars in order to give order to them at Ramanathapuram and hold it for a discussion. In 1798, Kattabomman and his minister Siva Subramanian, okay, met the collector at Ramanathapuram. Okay, in the year 1798, Kattabomman and his minister, okay, Kattabomman's minister's name was what? Siva Subramaniam. Okay, they both met collector at Ramanathapuram. Who was collector? Colin Jackson was the collector. Okay. Yes. Upon a verification of accounts, Colin Jackson was convinced that Kattabomman had cleared most of the arrears, leaving only 1080 pakodas as balance. So here, upon all the verifications and accounts of that, Jackson, he was convinced about Kattabomman that he cleared most of the arrears, okay, tribute arrears, but he left only 1080 pakodas. So pakodas is nothing but it's a unit of currency or a coin made of gold. So few coins, gold coins or few amount of balances is there for Kattabomman to pay to the collector. Okay. During this interview, Kattabomman and his minister Siva Subramaniam had to stand before the arrogant collector for 3 hours. So collector, he was very arrogant to everybody. He made Kattabomman as well as his minister Siva Subramaniam to stand before him for 3 hours. The collector insulted them and tried to arrest Kattabomman and his minister. So Jackson, he insulted whom? Kattabomman and his minister, and he also tried to arrest them. Kattabomman tried to escape with his minister. He started to escape along with his minister from that place. Next, Omathorei suddenly entered the fort with his men and helped the escape of Kattabomman. Who was Omathorei? Omathorei was brother of whom? Kattabomman, right? So he entered along with his men and he started to make escape of Kattabomman from that place. But unfortunately, Siva Subramaniam was taken as prisoner. Unfortunately, Siva Subramaniam was caught by the collector and he was prisoned. Okay. Next, coming to Edward Clive and Kattabomman. So we'll see what it is. After his return to Panchalam Kuruchi, Kattabomman wrote a letter to the Madras Council narrating the behavior of the collector Colin Jackson. So after returning to Panchalam Kuruchi, Kattabomman, he wrote a letter to the Madras Council stating about the behavior of the collector. So the collector was very arrogant. He made Kattabomman and his ministers to stand in front of him for 3 hours. Okay, that was an arrogant behavior, right? So narrating all these things, Kattabomman wrote a letter to Madras Council. Okay, Edward Clive, the governor of Madras Council, ordered Kattabomman to surrender. So Edward Clive was the governor of Madras Council. He, after reading the letter, he ordered Kattabomman to surrender. Okay, the Madras Council directed Kattabomman to appear before a committee. So they directed him to appear before the committee in the government. Okay. Meanwhile, Edward Clive dismissed the collector for his misbehavior and released Siva Subramanian. So after reading the letter, he made Kattabomman to surrender as well as he directed him to appear before the committee. But what he did, he took an action of the letter, right? He dismissed the collector. Who was the collector? Yes, Colin Jackson was the collector, right? He dismissed because of his misbehavior and he released whom? Siva Subramaniam. Who was Siva Subramaniam? He was the minister of Kattabomman, isn't it? Right. Kattabomman appeared before the committee and found Kattabomman was not guilty. So, as said by the governor, Robert Clive, Kattabomman, he appeared before the committee and he was made not guilty at all. So there was no mistake on the Kattabomman, right? S.R. Lushington, it's a name, right, was appointed collector in the place of Colin Jackson. So after Colin Jackson was dismissed, isn't it? So in his place, S.R. Lushington was placed as the collector, okay, who was eventually dismissed from service. So this is the picture of S.R. Lushington, and this is the picture of Edward Clive. Okay, next one is Confederacy of Palaikaras. So what is confederacy? Confederacy is nothing but in Tamil we could say Koottamaippu. Okay, right. During that time, Maruthu Pandian of Sivaganga formed the South Indian Confederacy of rebels against the British along with the neighboring Palaikaras. So during that time, Maruthu Pandian, okay, he belongs to Sivaganga. Okay, he formed South Indian Confederacy of rebels against the British. He gathered some people along with him. He stood against British Council along with the neighboring Palaikaras. Okay, this confederacy declared a proclamation which came to be known as Tiruchirappalli Proclamation. So proclamation is nothing but it's a public or official announcement dealing with a matter of great importance. Okay, that is called as what? Proclamation. Okay, right. So that proclamation was called as what? Tiruchirappalli Proclamation. Kattabomman was interested in his confederacy. Okay, so Kattabomman was very much interested in Maruthu Pandiya's confederacy. Okay, he tried to establish his influence over Sivagiri, who refused to join with alliance of the rebels. Kattabomman advanced towards Sivagiri, but the Palaikarar of Sivagiri was a tributary to the company. So the company considered the expedition of Kattabomman as a challenge to their authority. So the company ordered the army to march to Panchalam Kurichi. Okay children, we'll just stop up to this. Next class we shall start from fall of Panchalam Kurichi. Thank you and take care.